This is our washing machine, and making a funny noise. I'm pretty sure it's not meant to sound like that. I don't know what's wrong. There's a little inspection panel here. This is a drain tube. I'll let that drain out. Luckily we've got a drain in the floor over there. I'm going to open up this. There's an impeller there. I don't know if you can see that. And it looks like something caught up in the impeller of the pump. It's $2. I'm rich. Put that bung back in. The horrible noise is gone. The washing machine's working like normal. Here was us thinking we need to spend another $2 grand replacing a dishwasher. Instead, I made a $2 profit. This machine paid me to fix it. How lucky am I?